Hi there guys, Farrington here, your go-to guy for all things crypto mining and passive income. In today's video, we're going to be talking about another crypto node project that I'm going to be getting myself involved in, and this project is called ZAP.TECH. So let's jump straight into the video. Let's learn a little bit more about this project. Let's see why it could be worthwhile jumping in and why I see the potential chance to get a good quick return on investment. So make sure to watch this whole video all the way through. Make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to hit the join button, and let's go straight into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the ZAP vaults. Now, currently, there's only going to be 30,000 available for sale, and I'm going to be going through their docs and reading through everything through there for you guys so you can actually have an understanding about this project and what they're actually about. So if we take ourselves over their docs and we actually have a look over at their documentation that they've put together for us, we can actually start to see and learn a little bit more about the project and see where and why it's worthwhile getting ourselves involved. So as you can see, with the ZAP is a community-driven token launch protocol built to alleviate current problems in the token launch space and provide value to both founders and investors. Investors on ZAP secure allocation in token launches by contributing to a project. Rather than relying on mere luck, lotteries, or needing large capital requirements staked to invest, in turn, projects launching their token on ZAP get access to early adopters rather than merely speculative investors. So the ZAP protocol includes 3 different use cases. So curated token launches, fair token launches, and gamified airdrops. Okay, so let's have a look now at the ZAP Vault sales side of the documentation. So you can see that they started selling these nodes on Thursday, the March of 28th. The starting price is 1,000 USD per vault, and they're going to have 30,000 vaults max for sale. So in ZAP's dynamic ecosystem, owning a ZAP vault is your key to unlocking a variety of rewards across the entire platform. A vault not only unlocks ZAP rewards, but also grants you exclusive benefits, enhancing your interaction with every aspect of the ZAP experience. This guide will help you navigate the vault sale. So like I say, guys, to purchase yourself a vault, it's very, very simple to do, but you will need to set yourself up, and I will be leaving all the documentation links for you guys down in the description so you can actually go through and you can figure out how to set this up for yourself. But like I say, guys, maybe in another video I'll go through and purchase one of these nodes for you and you can see exactly how simple this process actually is. But like I say, for right now, there's quite a fair amount of benefits to actually having one of these ZAP vaults, and some of the benefits that you can actually receive is, let's just read the benefits from here for exactly how they've got it written. So your ZAP vault unlocks benefits and ZAP rewards distributed at daily frequency. Think of a vault like a access pass to the ZAP benefits, all bundled into one. Your vault unlocks daily ZAP rewards, multiplier on staking rewards, mystery NFT airdrops with Pudgy Penguin NFTs confirmed as a first dropped. I've actually seen these on, Twitter and on their website as well. So, like I said, these are interesting NFTs, and you can see as well exclusive ZAP benefits, priority access to new features, should I say, and periodic power for completed missions. The daily rewards, 20% of the total ZAP reward supply is reserved for the ZAP vault holders and will be distributed daily over a period of 900 days. The pool allocation begins with 150,000 rewards distributed daily to the users at midnight UTC. Please note that the rewards become withdrawable at the token generation event. So like I say as well, you can see there's actually some weight to it if you are able to get yourself some referrals onto your account. So, once you purchase yourself one, make sure to use the code that I'll leave you guys down in the description. But like I say, if you do purchase one of these nodes and then, recommend it over your friends, you will then have a higher earning reward based on the weight system for the referrals. And like I say, there's also a bit of a weight system as well to the actual amount of vaults that you also hold. And like I say, it's definitely worth going through their documents and having a bit of a read through this before you get yourself involved so you know exactly what you're jumping into. So as you can see, they also have a halving mechanism coming up. So every 180 days, basically, the emissions is going to completely change. So it's starting out right now at 150,000 ZAP, I assume is going to be kicked out to everybody, and then after 180 days it goes down to 99,000, then to 66, 43, and 29,000, and you can understand how it goes from there. And then I do believe that once it does get to that point, then like I say, the actual pool itself will actually have run out. So vault staking fees from the ZAP platform, such as pools, are distributed to the ZAP staking pool and distributed rewards. So one thing that I would like to say that I think is quite interesting about this project, if you think about it, for the actual things that they're going to be doing for this is having other projects able to launch their tokens on there and promote that on there. This gives us access to be able to get involved in some of these projects early, and having one of these vaults, it looks like it's going to be the key to doing that. So it's really, really important. Taking ourselves back over to ZAP.TECH, and let's have a little look at how they have their website laid out, and let me connect up my wallet and let's have a look at purchasing one of these vaults. So as you can see here, built on Blast, native yield and airdrops included. They're being audited by Zorkio and Sherlock. Meet ZAP, the community-driven token launch protocol. ZAP is a protocol of future, giving founders, investors and crypto enthusiasts access to the best tech to maximize token launch success. So to get ourselves a ZAP vault, we will need to connect up our wallet. So for myself, I'm going to be using MetaMask. Like I say, you can use a few of them. There is a list on their docs. Like I say, I'll leave the links for you down in the description if you want to use a different wallet. But you will be prompted with a sign-in request. You need to make sure that you do sign yourself in for that. And then once you actually have signed yourself in, you need to switch yourself over to the Blast network. This is the network that they are basically currently running on at the moment. So once you've switched yourself over to there, you'll then be given access to your vault's dashboard, and from there you'll be able to see your earnings. You'll also be able to see exactly how much that you've also earned. So like I say, if you do end up purchasing one of these nodes for yourself, make sure to use the referral code that you can see here on the screen. I'd really appreciate that, and also supports the channel as well. And like I say, guys, there's a lot more involved into this project than just the vaults. So take into account, you can launch a token with this project, and like I say, with the amount of individuals that are going to be involved in using this website, it'll give them a good fair chance to actually have a good fair launch. And like I say, for those of us that have access to these vaults, it'll give us the ability to actually go on there, check out some of these new projects, maybe invest in some of those if that's what we're interested in doing. I personally like to get involved in early with a lot of projects that I get into. Like I say, if you do check across the other videos on my channel, you will actually see that I do like to get in there first, and I do like to get in there early, because like I say, if you want to hit ROI and you want to make the most out of it, that's the way to do it. But like I say, to purchase yourself a node, it is very, very simple to do. So all you need to do is take yourself over to the vaults tab itself. You need to press yourself on buy vaults. Like I said, don't be using that referral code there. I have left a referral code for you guys down there, but you'll need to put in the amount of vaults you want, whether it's 1 or whether it's 2. Currently right now, the purchasing price is 1,355 USDB. So they've sold quite a fair amount of nodes. Like I said, I think it went up $15 per every 200 node that has been sold. So like I say, you can do the maths on that yourself. But like I said, all you need to do is convert your Ethereum over to and bridge it over to the Blast chain, and then from there you'll need to convert that into USDB, and from there you'll then be able to actually purchase yourself one of these nodes. If you would like to see me do a tutorial on how to purchase one of these nodes, let me know down in the comment section below. But like I say, guys, there's not really much for me to say. I'm going to be doing a little bit more updates on this going forward in the future. We can actually see here as well that 1,000, or should I say over 10,000 nodes have actually already been sold. So that's, like I said, that's not too bad. That's quite a fair amount of these nodes that have sold. And you can see here as well, it's saying that 115 more nodes being sold. Then from there, the price will actually go up by 15 USDB again. So like I say, guys, there's only going to be 30,000 available for sale. And for this current price right now, like I say, we are still early. Like I say, so if this is something that you're interested in, like I say, they're in tier 9 right now. This is the time to get yourself involved. And if not, like I said, the price itself will be quite high by the time that you may consider getting yourself involved. But let me know down in the comment section if this is something that you guys are interested in purchasing. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how to purchase one of these nodes and bridge over the Ethereum, because like I said, that was a little bit complicated to do. But like I say, if that's something you want to see, I'll definitely make a video on that. Right, guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, consider hitting the join button. Like I say, if you do want to join the channel as a channel member, we actually have a Discord group where we have a members only chat, and those members only actually have the ability to ask any questions, and I'll actually respond back and forth with you daily, and I'll let you guys ask me any questions that you need about anything crypto related going forward. Right, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.